Hi guys, Julie coming to you today from North Perth and Leederville. So if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I just love looking for the cheaper houses to buy, renovate and sell. But in this current crazy, hot, booming Perth property market, it's been very difficult to try and find something that's cheap enough in the areas that I've normally been looking in. So I have started thinking a bit wider and wondering whether I could potentially buy a villa or a unit in a better location that might have some value. So today I've come to North Perth and wandering around the streets of North Perth and Leederville, and I just want to give you some stats on the numbers and why I think this is quite interesting. So the median house price for North Perth is 1.16 million, which is quite high. However, the median unit price is only 465,000. When you look at the rent that can be achieved from a house in North Perth, it's $800 a week for the median, which is probably, in all honesty, much higher than that now in our crazy mental rental market. But the rent for a unit, the median rental is $620 a week. So when you're thinking that you're buying something for $465,000 and getting $620 a week compared to 1.16 million and getting say $800 to $1,000 per week, then the rental return looks a lot better on a unit. So potentially something that you could buy and hold, or buy, renovate and hold onto and rent, might be an option. So the other stats behind North Perth that I find interesting is that over the past year there were 129 sales of houses, yet currently there's only 28 houses for sale on realestate.com.au. And same with units. There were 89 units sold last year in North Perth. There's currently only 10 advertised for sale. So the supply versus demand is also very strong, as far as strong demand and very short supply. So another probably good reason to look into this suburb a bit further. So just quickly, I'll just give you similar stats on Leederville. Slightly higher median house price at 1.2 million and higher unit median price at 620,000 compared to 465,000 in North Perth. Could be that there's more new units in Leederville. That could be the case, as opposed to older ones in North Perth, which means that potentially there's scope for renovation there. Always worth looking into. And once again, rent for Leederville for a house is only $700 a week, which sounds crazy, so that's probably not right, but that's what the current data is saying. And the current data is saying $630 per week for units. So once again, looks like there could be quite a good yield if you were wanting to hold, but both fairly affordable if you're looking at units. So I just wanted to share that with you and just see whether that opens up your mind as well. Instead of giving up that houses are all too expensive, maybe we could start looking at villas, units, townhouses, that kind of thing. All right, have a great day. See ya.